Hello everyone. So welcome back to this new video. So today this is going to be a short and simple tutorial on Wix site. So these days I am making a lot of videos on Wix based only. So I will going to try the other CMS platforms as well like WordPress and all. But currently I am sticking towards the Wix and Editrix. For now will be creating tutorials on Wix, and after some days or once I feel like also adding the tutorials on the tracks, and I will do so. I will start adding that as well. But today in this tutorial, this is a short and simple tutorial, and it is about how to add a cart icon in Wix e-commerce or Wix site. So mostly it's when your site is online store based on Wix, then you do need a cart to display somewhere on the header of your pages or your site. So if you are adding a card in the header, so it will be seen on each and every page of the site. So what we will have is a card and a login bar. So here as you can see there are like two cards. So I will show you how to add those. So I will not remove this one, but I will add a new one just to show you guys. So when do you actually need to add a card? So it needs to be added when it is by mistake removed by you by well design, or if you have removed it while you are designing and while you think like you will add the card again after some time, so you can do that. So there could be many reasons that you don't have card, but whenever you add a shopping store in your website, then the card gets added to your header, and also the login bar gets added. So if your site has an online store, then there is a member. So for the member sections, this login bar is must. But you can also remove login bar, just like I, I told you that you can also remove the shopping cart. So in some of the other videos, I will show you about the login bar. But for now, today I will go to show you can add the card. So to start with, I have opened editor of one of the website. So all you need to do is just click on the leftmost plus icon. Then here are the options that you can choose to add the sections, the elements that you want. So you just need to go to store, and you can see is the shopping cart. So this is what you need to add. Just drag this. Here you go. It has got added. As you can see, it came by default with this color only, which is the currently or the previously added cart on the header. So then after adding, you can just add it wherever you want. You can adjust size by like this, by stretching like this from the horizontal way or the vertical way. And also you can settings, and these are options you can have for the layout based or the icon based shape and all. And you can also change the color of the icon. We'll put the red and also the bubble color to the red, and the numbering you can also change. Currently it's white, and we can change to red black. You can also change it to green color. And the menu card, the text you can change, and the design also you can change. Settings, manage. You can also manage the store and manage payments from here. And again the text and design, that is this is what it offers. So a lot of options, right? So you can always check these options on your own. So do try this. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I hope you understood the things that I showed you about this card. So thanks for watching this video.